Imagine packing your entire house into a backpack, or throwing a mind-blowing bash in a nightclub that pops up overnight. Sounds like a far-fetched dream, right? Well, get ready, because the future is here, and it's inflatable. With the magic of inflatable architecture, those movie-like fantasies are becoming reality. No more complex construction, no more bulky setups. These incredible structures, crafted from surprisingly strong materials, inflate in mere minutes with nothing more than the power of air. From cozy, portable homes that offer breathtaking views to vibrant nightclubs ready to rock, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive in and discover the unbelievable world of inflatable architecture. Dometic Awning. Ditch those complicated traditional awnings and embrace the ease of the Dometic inflatable awning. Ideal for campers, tailgaters, and outdoor enthusiasts, this marvel unfolds effortlessly. Simply connect the pump and watch the durable awning fabric inflate, creating a spacious, shaded oasis in mere minutes. Engineered for moderate winds and weather, you'll enjoy reliable sun protection, leaving you free to focus on soaking up the great outdoors. Its lightweight and portable design means you can take the comfort of shade with you on any adventure. This heavy-duty awning is constructed from ripstop polyester for enhanced durability and often features self-standing designs for hassle-free setup. Inflatable Nightclub. Get ready to host the ultimate outdoor bash with an inflatable nightclub. These vibrant and customizable structures bring the party atmosphere anywhere. With various shapes, sizes, colorful materials, and even integrated lighting and sound systems, they create an instant attraction for events and festivals. Imagine inflating an unforgettable nightclub in hours that deflates just as quickly when the fun is over. Talk about convenience. Look for models constructed with fire-retardant materials and rated for wind resistance to ensure a safe and unforgettable experience. Inflatable hangars. Provide a safe haven for your aircraft with the practicality of an inflatable hangar. These large-scale shelters protect planes, helicopters, and other aviation equipment from the elements. Their arch shapes and high-strength materials provide reliable cover against wind, rain, or blazing sun. As a cost-effective and portable alternative to traditional hangars, they are perfect for remote locations or temporary airfields needing rapid deployment solutions. Designed to accommodate everything from small planes to helicopters, these versatile hangars offer protection from the elements. Look for features like ventilation systems, translucent materials for natural light, and secure anchoring options for various terrains. GT SkyLoft. Elevate your on-the-road adventures with the GT SkyLoft inflatable rooftop tent. Forget cramped, traditional rooftop tents. This spacious design inflates into a luxurious haven offering ample room and panoramic views. Imagine a rooftop retreat with comfortable sleeping areas for the whole family, even the potential for separate compartments. Camping just got a serious upgrade, both in comfort and in how you experience the world around you. Enjoy the comforts of integrated mattresses or compatibility with standard options, and superior weatherproofing with specialized coatings and wind-resistant construction. Air Cruiser. Take travel to new heights with the revolutionary Air Cruiser. Blending RV comfort with the freedom of a hot air balloon, this concept offers endless possibilities. Imagine floating above breathtaking landscapes in a spacious cabin complete with sleeping quarters, a small kitchen, and panoramic windows. The Air Cruiser provides an unmatched perspective, allowing you to explore off the beaten path in a way that's both serene and eco-conscious. This revolutionary concept often utilizes a hybrid system, a hot air or helium balloon for lift, combined with electric motors for maneuvering. For enhanced sustainability, some designs may feature solar panels to power onboard equipment. TentTube. Experience the unique design of the inflatable TentTube, where the coziness of a tent meets the airy feel of a tube. Its modular design allows you to connect multiple tent tubes, creating your perfect campsite for families or groups of friends. Enjoy ample headroom and flexible layouts that ditch the cramped feeling of traditional tents. Stand out from the crowd with this fun and functional design. These unique structures feature double-layered air beams for stability and insulation, and often include built-in ventilation ports or mesh panels for optimal airflow. Evolution Dome. Inflatable structures. Discover the versatility and innovation of Evolution Dome inflatable structures. These customizable designs offer unmatched flexibility for a wide range of uses. Imagine pop-up event spaces, emergency shelters, or even unique temporary housing solutions. Their modular nature allows them to adapt to different needs. With their rapid inflation and strong weather-resistant materials, Evolution domes provide reliable spaces for any occasion. Their impressive strength comes from networks of interconnected air beams forming robust dome shapes. This adaptable design makes them ideal for disaster relief, field hospitals, temporary military shelters, or even remote classrooms in a pinch. Weathermaster. When you need serious protection, the Weathermaster inflatable structure delivers. Engineered to withstand harsh environments, these durable creations provide shelter in demanding conditions. Think of them as the ultimate all-weather work tents, temporary warehouses, or even emergency field shelters. Weathermaster structures stand strong with impressive stability and resilience, defying the elements with their inflatable might. Built with high-tenacity PVC or specialized fabrics, these rugged structures withstand extreme temperatures in severe weather. Look for heavy-duty ground anchors or ballast systems to ensure stability in the face of harsh conditions. The amazing realm of inflatable architecture is one that we have only begun to explore. Which of these structures piqued your interest? Perhaps you see inflatables as a way to improve disaster relief efforts, or perhaps you're thinking of having your own mobile party area. Post your ideas in the comments section. I'm interested in hearing them. If you share my excitement about these innovative spaces, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any updates.